Hello! Welcome to another Roblox Studio tutorial. Here is what you will need in order to create your trap. You will need 2 platforms for the players to jump on. Make sure that the platforms are anchored and can collide on. You will also need to have 2 parts for the real trap. Make sure you name them Part 1 and Part 2. This is important for when we script. And once again, make sure they are anchored and can collide on. Now, click on Part 1. Insert a script into Part 1. Now, type this into your script. This part of the script will make it easier to type Part 1 and Part 2. This part will make it so that the parts will fall when a player touches it. If you want to be extra sure that the trap works, you can make it so that people can't collide with the parts. Just like this. This part will make the function activate when a player touches the part. Now, we will duplicate the script and put it into Part 2. Let's see if our script works. Awesome! We fell along with the trap, just like we wanted to. Let's see what happens if we can still collide with the parts. Make sure to apply it to both scripts if you want the can collide to be on. Yay! It works! Anyways, that will be all for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any problems with your trap, feel free to comment them below. Anyways, have a great day.